Hindustan Times PM2 INAUGURATA Institute 36 crore PR project in Bihar on September 15 Patna in a major boost to development in Paul Bond. Bihar Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lay the foundation stone and English major development projects worth around 36,000 crore at Paris on September 15 during his visit to Bihar. The PM will also filling up of four new trains installing a Band Bihar and two Amit Amrit Bharat Bihar Bharat Express trains from Chennai, Amrit, Amritsar, Amritsar, SH and includes close to the Nepal border. This is based the ancestor tint of the Prin Alporter and the language of the national marking border according to official arrival of the ancestor. The PM will install the new trembling filter of Primor All Porter at 2:45 PM. Then he will all the foundator storage and England Muntling development projected world around 36,000 crore address the gambling and language and the national PM Modi will also launching Padian Airport on September 15. ST photo marking border. The border will promote perimeter and new tenting development street post having man around perimeter always added and processing and facilitates market export and brand development in marketing. They would bring the Mahakan humor of Bihar and the coincidence Bihar according the for approximately 90% of the country total Mahakam fruit की describe like Mahavi dry slit Sankra Kitra Peacones symbol Krishnancer and arranged service as the primary humbus. The PM will thank the founding string of a Universal MW their power project at presenter Bihar. It will the Bihar laying private inflate matter wrong 25,000 crore it flesh will disable on United Sir Pro Minister Link Teach Modi to unnamed working pro fortune of Kose Martam liking to Patna. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also lay the foundation stone for parrot of the train marking Chikoli mentioned line project tuning his character first of Rani September 15 as the state and central marches year up from this Mali event 100 and Sankara Minister JRPL Minister of State Raj VH Bachchan Chaudhary along with Bihar Water Recounder Minister Vijay Kumar Chaudhary disturbed and expelling to surveyor of the project ran to trust accounted by water sources developmental WRD Prince Sanskrit SANT Sutan Kumar mail the leaders rebels encourage expect the PM Modi to visit Manipur today say PMO status says in Irfan Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Manipur on September 13 and will instead with entreated disabled people in Chaudhary and impale Chief Secretary Primate Kumar Google set up friend in the first official conference of the PM track to the chapel on state. It will be PM first verse to the state since Ether Guilme billing 2 years ago in because the Prime Minister official said it aligned with his competitor to instate associate and hospital development of Manipur. The PM will founded a string of Manipur development project worth over 73 crore at GDP of the PM vast communists and reported driven by opposite product for not Western Manipur flowing of issues system better the cutter and maternity constant rich as he over those short people develop Haryana arrest risks doing in at 15 VPR CP Radhakrishnan Radhakrishna was on friend since in the 15th Prime Minister of India Prime Minister Dr. Balin admitted or the 67-year-old Rating insists at the Raksha Vihar Raksha on in English in the name good unfollow unformed complex story. So all first steps Rachi the Andevan calls minister try his developed to instate comparator unfair from all impulse the people sounds instead U, US, PSUS under it and Proctor updated and explained amount planned it works 10 lakh working is in their life engineer costed by a crore under crore and ministers G. Krishna Redder said a friend he said all their challenge world come into inform September 17 first time post in Twitter weird are into doing competitor inform through all employment of the PSUS of Cyclo India as well as the MDO meaning development people there will be become common on form from all private from Krishna official to CMD of the Pulse said. Librarium Portrest in Patna. My Foster where or will add follower to pools and estate. Tesvi to Tesvi to embark on Bihar. Adrik Yadav from September 16. NDA almost concept overall crime of PM. Arun Kumar, Patna. He heard of Prime Minister Narendra Modi was to Bihar of September 15 on all gender video poster by the Bihar owner of the conjecture shopping his later mother expelling here deported over policy being played in here name has earlier sleeping researched from the leaders of the ruling national tester allowing NDA. Under NDA, the video project shopping PM Modi building fostered by his mother in his dream. A deported convict is stepping to low. There are not PM and solve their mindest tender mother and sister of the country unfounded nature there are running to lender repeater failing in people health is with their constant hit is deceased but it will only his their cell phones it there. Keep posting search interest. Said JDU working project Sanjay Kumar Jha, JDU spokesman and MLC and NEE RJ Neeraj Kumar said that the conjunction Next, it's the hailing of symbol. It exposes the chairman of the parade that always doing the PM, the always doing PM letter mother into policy their first administer here and now this Bihar is the land of Ma Janki and people never forget and forgive. They were who informed mother and sister he had sent BJP leader and corvette uneven minister unpairing them how we was in Patna said that too doing in massive sterling and mocks mock someone mother and that tongue was he first were chilling repeating how low the congestion and the RGD went from policy citizens to pulp when another available the mother of the PM from the land of Bihar people now how to give to willing reply it is the land where the motor parameters in timing and move motor against intent Devin Devent India Union order and letter movement again inward in